Hello friends, welcome to my 90s on YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to install WordPress to your computer. This is localhost method. If you are new visitor on my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get a notification after publishing my future videos. Okay, let's start. In the first, open your browser and search here XAMPP exam and click this download button. You can download the latest version here. Now I am downloading. Now it's downloading 155 megabytes. Okay, after downloading, you can open this file. Click this use button. Okay. And click this next button. Unmark this FileZilla FTP server and click the next button. Unmark this checkbox and click the next button. Now it is installing. Now you want to allow access to this. Click this allow access button. Okay, XAMPP is now installed. Click this finish button. Now we want to change some settings. Click this config icon and mark this aperture and MySQL and mark this start control panel minimized option. After you can save this. Click this OK. We will check again. Now we want to start the aperture and MySQL. Click this start button. Click this allow access. Okay, now we want to download WordPress. Open your web browser and open a new tab. Search here wp.org. In here you can download WordPress zip file. Click this Get WordPress. In here you can download WordPress. Now we want to move our WordPress software to exam folder. Select your WordPress software and cut this. Go to your computer partition C. Go to this exam folder. Open this htdocs folder. Here you want to create a new folder. Type the folder name as WP. Open this WP folder. Paste your downloaded WordPress file to here. Now we want to extract this WordPress file. Right click this WordPress file and click extract here. Now we don't want this WordPress zip file. Now I delete it. Go to this WordPress folder. Select all and cut. Come to back and paste here. After, delete this WordPress folder. Now our WordPress website is ready to use. Open your web browser. Search here localhost. This is XAMPP localhost. Now we want to install WordPress. Type here localhost/wp and click enter. Now we can install WordPress to our computer. Now I am select English MH and continue this. Let's go. Now we want to type database name. Open new tab and type localhost. This is our exam localhost. Click on this PHP my admin. Click this database. Type the database name WP and create. Come to your WordPress install tab and type your database name as WP. Type the username as exam normal username root. We don't want the password. Click to submit. Click this run the installation. Type here your website title. Now I type the username as admin. Type your password here. I confirm that password. Type your personal email here. Click this Install WordPress button. Now I save my password to my browser. Click this Login button. Now type your password and username and click Login button. Okay, now we successfully installed WordPress to our computer. If you are satisfied on this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for future updates. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
We'll go.